All right, let's get right into it. Today, we're talking about a pretty incredible physical trick that can actually make your mind stronger. It's all about a secret connection between your body and your brain that you can use anytime you need a little extra self-control.
You know the feeling, right? You've decided you're going to eat healthy, or maybe you're trying to buckle down and finish a project. And then temptation just shows up. Suddenly, your willpower feels like it's completely vanished. It happens to literally everyone. But what if I told you the secret to winning that fight isn't just about thinking harder? What if the real key is in your abs? Yeah, I know, it sounds a little weird, but stick with me, because the science on this is actually really, really cool. So, how in the world can your stomach muscles have any say in the decisions you make? Well, it turns out there's a direct line, a kind of hotline, between your core and your brain. Let's break down exactly how this whole thing works. It's all based on a concept called embodied cognition. Now, that's a fancy term, but the idea is simple. Your mind isn't just some computer program running in your head totally separate from your body. Nope. Your physical self, how you stand, how you move, even how tense your muscles are, is constantly sending signals that literally shape how you think and feel. So when you purposefully, create a little bit of tension in your core muscles and hold it, you're doing more than just a mini workout. You're actually flipping a switch. You're sending a very specific, very powerful message straight up to the command center in your brain. And what's really amazing is where this signal goes. It makes a beeline for a part of your brain called the anterior cingulate cortex. You can just think of this as your brain's official self-control department. It handles the tough decisions. So by tensing your abs, you're basically giving it a heads up, telling it, hey, get ready, we've got a challenge coming up. Okay, so the science is fascinating, but how do we actually use this? Let's get practical. Let's walk through how you can give yourself a willpower boost in just 2 minutes.
Seriously, it's this easy. Find a comfortable position, sitting or standing, doesn't matter. Then just tighten up your core. The best way to get it right is to imagine someone's about to gently poke you in the stomach. You know that little brace you do? That's the feeling. Just hold that steady contraction for 2 minutes. Now this part is super important. You have to get the tension just right. We're talking about maybe 40% of your max effort. See, if you go all out and clench as hard as you can, you're just gonna get tired. But if it's too loose, you're not sending a strong enough signal. It's that bracing tension. That's the sweet spot that tells your brain to get ready for a challenge. All right, a 2-minute exercise sounds great, but does it really do anything? Well, let's look at the actual research, because the results are pretty wild. Check this out. In one study, they had people who were trying to quit smoking use this technique. The group that did the 2-minute ab tensing saw their cravings drop by a whopping 67%. Now, compare that to another group that used standard breathing exercises. They only got a 20% reduction. I mean, that's not even close. The difference is huge. And here's the kicker. It's not just that it works, it's how long it works for. That one single 2-minute exercise gives you a willpower boost that lasts for up to 4 hours. Think about that. 2 minutes of your time for half a workday of stronger self-control. So this is way more than just a weird party trick. It's about really understanding that your body has these hidden control panels for your mind. You literally have the power to tap into your own biology and make your brain work better. So let's just recap the big takeaways here. 2 minutes of that medium ab tension gives you a willpower boost for up to 4 hours. The effect actually peaks about 30 minutes after you do it, so you can time it for when you need it most. It works by firing up your brain's impulse control system, which makes it perfect for fighting cravings, focusing for an exam, or just facing any tough decision life throws at you. This whole thing just shows how deeply connected our physical bodies and our mental strength really are. And it really makes you wonder, doesn't it, if a simple muscle clench can do all of this? What other secrets, what other keys to our own minds are just waiting for us to discover them right inside our own bodies?